The secret recipe. In the small town of Willow Creek, there was a quaint little cafe called Martha's Delights. The cafe was famous for its delicious pastries, especially the blueberry pie. Locals often whispered about Martha's secret recipe, believing it contained a magical ingredient that made the pie irresistible. One sunny afternoon, a curious young woman named Lucy decided to visit the cafe. As she entered, the warm aroma of baked goods enveloped her. She ordered a slice of the famous blueberry pie and took a seat by the window. With the first bite, she was transported to dessert heaven. The combination of sweet blueberries and flaky crust was simply perfect. Determined to uncover the secret behind the pie, Lucy struck up a conversation with Martha, the friendly owner. "What's your secret?" she asked, her eyes sparkling with curiosity. Martha chuckled and replied, "Well, dear, it's not just the ingredients, it's about love and patience." Lucy was intrigued. She watched as Martha carefully mixed the dough and folded in the blueberries. After some time, Martha turned to Lucy and offered her a slice of the fresh pie. You see, the real secret is in the process. Each pie is made with care, and that's what makes it special. Inspired, Lucy decided to try baking her own blueberry pie at home. Following Martha's advice, she poured her heart into the process, and when she finally tasted her creation, she realized that the secret ingredient was indeed love. From that day on, Lucy not only baked pies, but also shared the joy of cooking with her friends, spreading the warmth that Martha had shown her.